Welcome back to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. I want to start by sharing something truly useful that can save you real money today. Over the past 7 years of using Hostinger and hosting multiple websites, I have learned that most people unknowingly leave savings on the table. When you purchase any Hostinger hosting plan using a regular coupon code, you receive only a 10% discount. However, by using my automatically applied referral code available in the description, you unlock a full 20% discount. That is double what most people are getting. It is a small but life changing difference, especially when you are just starting out and every dollar matters. Let me walk you through something informative about why Hostinger continues to be my top recommendation after all these years. Founded in 2006, Hostinger is a well established tech giant with decades of experience dedicated entirely to providing world class hosting services. From a personal standpoint, I find their platform to be one of the most enjoyable and calming experiences in web hosting. Their custom control panel, each panel is designed so thoughtfully that even complete beginners feel at ease from day one. Their 30-day money-back guarantee adds another layer of comfort, and the fact that they include a free SSL and a free domain with their hosting plans makes the overall value genuinely heartwarming to get started. Head to the description box where I have listed my special referral link for every country in your local language and currency. Once you land on Hostinger's official website, click on the Services or Products button on the navbar to browse all available plans. Whether you choose shared hosting, cloud hosting, or VPS, my 20% referral code is valid across all of them. I'm demonstrating with the business web hosting plan today, and as you can see at checkout, the discount is applied automatically, no codes to copy or paste. Just remember to sign up using a new email address that has never been registered with Hostinger before. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips.